Managing money is one of the most important life skills, but ironically, it's the one thing school rarely teaches. We're drilled on algebra and the anatomy of triangles, yet we graduate not knowing how to budget, invest, or escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. The cost of that oversight? Young adults stepping into the real world stressed, unprepared, and financially overwhelmed. The good news? You don't need a finance degree to get ahead. Learning just a handful of practical money principles in your 20s can radically shift your financial trajectory. These are lessons that build wealth, not just income. Your goal isn't to work for money forever, but to make money work for you. And it starts now. First, saving is important, but alone it's not enough. The average savings account earns you less than 0.5% annually. That's not growth, that's stagnation. Real wealth is built by investing. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or your own business, appreciating assets are your golden ticket. Most people start with stocks because it's accessible. What matters most is consistency and understanding the long game. Second, income means nothing if it slips through your fingers. Focus on how much you keep. That $50,000 revenue screenshot from someone's side hustle might look impressive, but if they only net 10% after expenses and taxes, that story changes fast. Master budgeting. Reduce waste and optimize for net income, not gross. Third, separate your wants from wealth builders. Assets like index funds, rental properties, and even content-creating platforms add value over time. Liabilities, expensive cars, maxed-out credit cards, flashy gadgets, drain it. Every major purchase should answer one question. Does this move me closer to financial freedom or further away? Fourth, remember you weren't born just to pay bills and die. The odds of being born human are estimated at 400 trillion to 1. You're here, living, breathing, and capable of creating something extraordinary. Don't waste it living someone else's life plan. Financial independence gives you the freedom to explore life on your terms, and you deserve that. Fifth, treat financial education like oxygen. Dive into content about investing, online business, taxes, sales psychology, anything that fuels your financial decision-making. The more tools you acquire, the fewer mistakes you'll make. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about growing smarter every day. Sixth, risk isn't something to fear, it's something to manage. Those who play it safe rarely build anything groundbreaking. Don't gamble recklessly, but do take calculated risks. Invest part of your earnings into skill building, side hustles, or scalable income sources. Betting on yourself is the most empowering investment you'll ever make. Last, embrace the grind. Freedom isn't free. It costs time, energy, and early sacrifices. Skip a few parties, hold off on the impulse buys, and stay consistent. Because when you build a strong financial base, you gain peace of mind. And that peace lets you show up for others, pursue passions, and say yes when life invites you into something greater.